This video will introduce you to Go3S unboxing. You will find the following in the Go3S box. Now, let's look at the Action Pod and Go3S camera. Before using, peel off the red sticker on the back of the Go3S camera. Then place it into the Action Pod via the magnetic charging point. Make sure the camera is secure in the Action Pod and the latch is in the hole. If you need to remove the camera, hold the Action Pod's release switch and pull out the camera. Charging. To charge, place Go3S into the Action Pod and connect the official charging cable to the Type-C port on the Action Pod. While charging, both indicator lights will be solid red. The corresponding indicator light will turn off when the device is fully charged. Magnet pendant. Wear it under your clothing with the camera icon facing outwards and adjust the cord to the correct length. Mount Go3S horizontally or vertically onto the magnet pendant over your clothing. Press the Go3S button to start taking shots with quick capture. You can also switch the aspect ratio by placing the camera horizontally or vertically. Horizontal mounting gives you a 16:9 image, while vertical mounting switches it to a 9:16 image. Easy Clip. Place Go3S into the Easy Clip in the same direction as the icon. Make sure it's secure, then attach the Easy Clip to the edge of a hat. It can also be attached to the magnet pendant over your clothes for flexible angle adjustments. Pivot stand. Screw the pivot stand to the sticky base and stick it to a clean, dry surface, either flat or curved. Press the buckles on both sides of the pivot stand and mount Go3S with or without the Action Pod. Make sure the camera faces in the same direction as the icon on the pivot stand. When you're finished, press and hold both buckles to remove Go3S or the Action Pod. Thanks for watching this Insta360 Go3S tutorial.